After we have run it at administrator, so it will show us this output. Sometimes your own may be maybe my hand with user. Your own may be maybe system that is 2 bit or 64 bit. So you are going to press cd dot dot in order to move you to your C drive. Cd dot dot. Sorry, a dot dot. So after that, so don't forget that we store our Java program inside C drive, which inside C drive, which or inside C drive, and we create a folder which is Java program inside C drive. So we have to move to that Java tutorial folder here. This is our Java tutorial folder. So we have to move to our Java tutorial folder. So we will press cd Java tutorial. So it has moved us to Java tutorial. So how are you going to first of all, we are going to compile our Java program. After compiling, so the compiler will show us the output of our program. So we have to let the system to locate our Java JDK. So let system to locate our Java JDK. You have to type TAPT, which is path. So just that I show you where your Java JDK installed. You are going to, after your C drive, go to program file, go to your Java, go to your JDK, your bin. So after that, so have you see the C drive, program file, Java JDK, one JDK. So we are going to this directory. So just press C drive, program files, Java JDK 1.8.0 underscore 131 slash bin. So just press enter. After that, just type Java first, which is the name of our program. Okay, do you know our program, which is first p? So just add Java first p dot Java. The meaning of this is that it will first of all compile our program. After compiling, it will now let us run our Java program. This compiler, if there is error in our program, it will display us an error. If there is no error, it won't display any error. So after that, press enter. So there is no error in our program. Just test Java first p. So this is our output, which is hello world. If you observe in this place that this is the program we create, and after the program compile, it will automatically create this class for us. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.